So what these are customized N64 controllers modded to work on an NES. And so the way this works is pretty simple. So, your basic NES layout, so your joypads line up here. Start button is that one. Your B and A are these ones, and select is the Z button on the back. So there's that. But then there's all six more buttons, the shoulder buttons and these C buttons. And so those actually go back as extra data to the machine. And we have hardware that's in here to detect that extra buttons. And it doesn't affect the video game at all, which means that we can also just use our operating system with this, but we won't really be able to control it very well. So, and vice versa, so these NES controllers actually work in a regular NES machine, and the machine will just completely ignore the extra buttons. And so the implementation of that is more or less what you see right here, is basically each controller has two 4021 shift registers, and it's using a double clocked system so that as the 4021s are clocked, we're basically reading the data on, I guess, the falling edge of the clock line, which is at the beginning. So we're picking up that extra controller data during that time when the NES would be just starting to check out the data line.